use the back.
Yeah. Oh, you have the. Wait. Move your shit.
Might need another seat.
Okay. Yeah. This is trivial. Yeah. Okay.
Should I write my code down and like show it like?
Oh yeah, that one.
I'm keeping.
Okay. Yeah. Wait. Here. Feel free. You start timer.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. G.
Yo, this.
Wait, that's only one.
What the? How do I do this? Wait, Alice might need to, like.
Does anyone know the negative shortest path thing? I don't know at all.
Negative shortest path.
Yeah.
Shortest path. Negative.
It's the one of the other one. Yeah, like the NQ. I definitely.
Is that
know
one of? Is that Floyd Marshall? Does that work?
I think so.
I know.
Floyd Warsaw will work for now.
J-I. Wait, no. K-I-J.
Oh yes, KIJ. Wait, I don't know how to do this better than just manually typing everything.
There's really nothing better. Are you doing it in a text file?
What?
Do it in a text file. If you copy paste a text file and you put it into a string in Java, it automatically formats it.
Oh,
Like, write this into a text file, trust me.
wait, no, I'm just gonna do what I'm.
Bro, please.
Wait, to be fair, I have PTSD from this stuff.
What? Okay.
Oh, this cost us a penalty at state because I fucked up multi-line strings.
The text file does that automatically. You copy paste it.
What the?
Trust me.
Wait, like how? Like.
Just make a text file. Once you're done, copy the contents and put it into a string.
Oh my god! Wait, how do you use this shit? How to make file? New file. Monkey. Okay, wait. So just.
If your screen's off, does it still record?
Yes.
Okay.
I like tap it in case, but I'm pretty sure it does. At least from the log. This is so gross. Oh my god. I feel like I'm typing Morse code. Why am I missing so many characters? Well, I have to retype this all over again. Not the entire thing. Oh, well, I made the C. Why are these not the same thing? Wait, Adam, is your font is your thing mono font or like monospace?
Yeah.
I swear I typed this right. Colon, apostrophe, and 5 hashtags. Oh, that's 6 hashtags. Wow, I'm really bad at
Dude,
reading.
this says watch when some number of palindromic stuff through. What? Does using n squared passes for UIL?
Wait, for number 3, this one, shortest paths, it's up to 10 to the 4.
10 to the 4 more.
10 to the 4 nodes.
Really? Negative value. Wait,
I forgot how the other. Floyd Warshall is definitely.
they're all like n's.
Floyd Warshall is definitely n cubed. Is some other one like n squared mod something?
Bellman Ford.
Oh, Bellman Ford is. I don't know Bellman Ford.
I don't know about Ford.
Fuck, bro. Maybe I should have been paying attention to 104C.
And I can't just like think of it right now.
Wait, it's like very hard to come up with in 2 minutes. Probably because it makes no sense intuitively.
Let me try here. Bellman Ford doesn't use. It's on like undirected graphs, right?
What?
Bellman. Like using everything only once.
Yes.
God damn it.
Okay, I made the S. Michael, I want to kill myself.
Right.
Oh. This is basically my role on the CS team, unfortunately. However, I was very good at it. Or at least good enough to keep my spot.
What the fuck does it mean non-deterministic?
What do you mean by that?
Yeah, Michael, if you know n for this, otherwise you just gamble it.
You can think about this one. I have this one. This one's like.
I'm not gambling.
Bro's not a gambling man, unlike Michael.
Oh wait, this is the prime decomp from.
What? What decomp?
Prime decomp.
What the? I don't know. I trust you, bro. Well, whatever you say.
Fuck no. Isn't this?
Yo, that's not PG, bro.
Edit that out.
Edit that out. Oh wait, can you unlock it? Wait, actually, no, you can't unlock it. I'm fucking retarded. Oh, well, I guess I hope that's
Edit that out.
Oh, it's been 9 minutes. What the?
This is Menashers, right?
What is
Menashers?
Counts the number of substrings.
Oh,
Managers? Hell no, get this out of here.
Manchuria?
No, I don't know
that.
that.
On that. I feel like UIL.
Can we use a reference book?
It'd be 100. It'd be 1E11.
I'm sure that's not.
Wait, no, we can cut it down.
Did you just say 1E11 is fine?
No, because like it will always end
I mean, I guess.
It's probably like 1e10 maybe, at the minimum.
Dude, UIL's runtime. Dude, I'm coding a bad runtime. This is about to be.
I know the rough idea of, or was that Z? I forgot.
This thing's about to be like 10 to the 9 at max, but I don't think so.
Okay, I have the O.
I can try to derive from the asterisk. I don't think it's gonna work.
Just go to
Something.
N squared.
Thing is, there's n test cases.
Oh, it's UIL. It's probably
What's the time limit? 1 minute?
fine. But not all of them are going to be like full on stress tests, right? Let's say maybe at most like 5. Maybe even like 10.
Well, like if
And it ends early a lot of the time. So.
okay, I guess you can brute force that one.
But I know that algorithm for just
I know.
Yeah, I know it too.
shallow.
I'm not sure it's 69. Oh, wait a minute. What was it on? Wait, bro, I swear there's like such a high chance that this is wrong. Michael, there's such a high chance. This is so hard to like confirm outright. Like, you don't understand how bad it is. Okay, time to do the K, bro.
I hope my job is
Just remember, if you do bad, it means you lose to a bunch of acoustics. That should hopefully be enough motivation. If it's not, I don't know what to tell you. Whoa, 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 I did not hit enter.
I don't like this.
I don't like it either, man.
tower.
Whoa, what was that? What are these keybinds? Actually, it's not really the keybinds. I'm like,
My in chat. I think I got that one. Unspecified. Wait, what? It's trivial.
does this seem close enough, Michael? Does this seem like it's the CS Rocks? Seems good enough. Okay, what do I do?
Like make a string.
Just sort of
Like string sequence, whatever. Like make and then not
What?
go back to that. Undo. Just like inside that, inside the
In this?
yeah.
This piece.
Cool.
What the?
Sound. Road has no sound.
It's just
Am I trolling? Man. Okay, bro. How to
Bro has never used IntelliJ.
Bro, it's been too long.
I hope it's right.
Well, bro, this is probably the reason why teams got penalties. So I just go here. I just paste it like just like this.
Yeah.
Atlas, like that.
Is this wrong?
It says the system cannot find the system.
probably Atlas test.out.
Wait.
Oh wait, no. Wait, what? They can't
Wait,
find
I
it.
never got the output files.
Oh my
Oh my
god.
Oh
Pause the timer,
my
pause
God.
the timer.
Oh wait, yeah, no, Atlas does have one. This guy's just like stupid.
I might be scared.
CS 314. Okay, wrong answer, unfortunately.
Wanna help? Wanna like debug?
Well, is right. No. I'm gonna look at some more
Go
problems.
back to the text.
Wait, how do I possibly figure this out, man?
Here, you read different problem. I'll try to fix this and kill my problem.
Yeah. Wait, these are some
Who's
free
doing
problems.
I have these. You can think about just
Wait.
until.
What's arbiter?
This is just
These don't look terrible, right? This is a leak code problem. It was literally like yesterday's data, right? Wait, no. Summer day is not.
yes, for the
Just creepy.
But it doesn't specify how long the write is.
Surely it can't be more than like n times m, right? Surely O n works for each. Because it's not possible to take in more than longer than O n.
Wait,
Or faster than
what's your O of N idea for this?
the prefix and suffix, right?
Must every element belong to something?
To one. Then it's like literally checking every prefix and suffix.
Oh, partition.
You got that, or you surely can't. You can't make the web.
Oh, okay, that's not that bad. I think that goes up right here.
It's a graph.
Dorian looks kind of ass. Not gonna lie.
That sounds really nice.
Wait, this looks pretty easy.
Oh, yeah. the heck is this? Is this a password problem?
No, it's formatting text. If it goes off the line, you have to indent it. I think
That's
to be done
definitely a
first.
usable problem. Oh, wait. No. This is for sure wrong.
It'd also be
I checked the top row, and I'm currently checking the bottom row. It's a good question.
This is a crash out type problem.
Wait, I feel like this is literally why any OP team has had a wrong answer. Not even because of the actual algorithm problems. Just straight up, can you type ASCII properly within like 30 minutes? Okay, bottom row looks good now. I'm gonna check 7th row now.
I'll check the second
We'll go right to
row. Pipelining. No, these parallel.
What's the difference? Do you remember?
Good one.
left. Parallels just means we'll probably know what's going on.
I'm really hoping that was the only mistake. Wait, because like this part was like so hard to count properly. So honestly, it makes sense that that's where the error was. Because everything else, like all the other errors I made, like I caught them because stuff was misaligned. So it was just like, this doesn't look like the right text.
Did we gamble? Did you fix something?
I did make a change. There was a single dot that should have been a colon in the final row.
I'm on the fourth row right now.
No, trust me, we got to submit it.
Wait, how have you checked that fast? You didn't check it really slow. Okay, I finished 7th. You're checking 4th, I'll check 6th. And then I guess you'll check 5th by the time I'm done.
I'm on sixth.
5th?
Wait, fifth. Surely that was the only mistake. I don't want to look at this one.
I don't even know how to check to make sure. Oh yeah, yeah. It was like 4. It was supposed to be 4 colons instead of 3. If I submit the exact same code, I'm gonna cry. Yeah, AC.
Okay, Michael's typing.
Okay, toss this away.
Look at this one.
What?
It's exactly how it looks. Just solve it.
How do you do this, bro?
So that seems devious, bro.
I know.
Bro, Michael's typing something.
Wait, what's this? Is trivia. Do you know who I am? I am someone who apparently cannot remember.
Are they all functioning?
What?
Max flow,
Yeah, they're guaranteed balls. So all division will be integer. Okay.
which has this max flow,
What?
the maximum water flow between 2 points. Da, 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 da,
Oh
da, da.
nah.
I don't even. I forgot to do this.
Is this flow?
Yep, it's definitely flow because it tells you that.
Well, what are they putting my
Wait, what? What's the complexity of flow?
It's probably cube, right? I don't feel like.
Then why do they give M queries for flow? Wait, update flow? How?
Oops. Oops.
I think I remember how to do it, although.
This might fight.
If we do this one, I'm doing this one last.
27, 7, 195. Okay, this has got to be right? Like, if I got the right answer here, it has to be right. Like, there's no freaking way.
So we keep it close.
Wait, yeah, you should close.
Doesn't have to include.
Look, if they never tell you what the multiplication symbol is, but yeah, you can just assume that.
Wait, what?
Look, if they never tell you what the multiplication symbol should be. It could be next.
Why would they not specify that?
I mean, it just says multiplication.
Wait, I mean, I would hope it's.
Not in the test cases.
We try.
Just
allow both. Just allow both.
Wait, here, what I'll do, I'll change it. I'll just change the order. That way, just
Oh,
whatever,
yeah.
whatever it is, just happens to be here. Right? Okay, right. Now I'm going to double check this. I'm just being scared. Oh my, what the? I have no idea where I think.
Huh?
7, 1, Wait, so Adam, how do I do it with the...
Just type Cassie lowercase.
No, I know I make this Cassie, but
That's
what about this?
Remove.
Yeah, like
Oh, just like that?
Yeah.
Okay. There's no way this was.
Yeah.
Okay, we got Hello, Tony.
Get me on.
Oh, yes,
Might
bro.
be
Hop
good
on.
with UIL, yes.
What is Regent speaking?
Huh?
The thing
District was last week.
Stacked to the all time.
True. This is a very bad team. What the? Oh no. Okay, wait. What do you need me to look at? What has been touched and what has not been touched?
I looked
Or
at
you
these.
can look at some hard problems.
You can try to look at the parsing one.
Wait.
this one isn't algorithmically hard.
Yeah. Bro, parsing is my specialty.
Right.
Wait, that's like literally the point. Like the entire point is that I'm like kind of special for this being my specialty.
What do you use input not SC, bro?
What is this here? What the maximum water? Max flow is kind of
Harder or easier than ICPC?
Easier.
Look, it's harder.
They got some unknown problems.
there are multiple lines, each additional line beyond the first, indented with a tab, which is 6 pieces.
But does hierarchy return null if it's above tree now? Worth no idea.
What?
Does hierarchy return null if it's above max?
Does what return?
Hierarchy.
Higher? Oh, I don't know how hierarchy works. Wait, we're allowed Java docs. Loki, just pull it off. Wait, so what is the question? He doesn't want to willy-nilly break down a long line. He never wants to break a contiguous set of non-whitespace characters up, even if it means having an excessive number of continued lines.
How about these? We got like 5.
What?
What? Wait, what?
I'm rounding.
Math dot round would return an infinite.
Buddy, I'm rounding.
6.
Doesn't matter
That shit is
round
nonsense.
return wrong.
Oh my god.
Bro forgot his test cases.
Wow.
Is it a C dot?
Yeah, well, while input dot has next line, while input dot has next line, bro. Or input dot has next. Just do next. Bro, this guy does not know Java.
Both these actually use Java.
Okay, wait, Dorian is like cringe. What in the world is Brian?
What the hell is your...
We took all the easy problems. Now we're
Just Becker, right? I think you suck. What are we supposed to be doing here? Wait, what are we giving?
Oh, shoot.
ARNT. You got it. You're cooked. Put the fries in the bag. Wait, what is it? We're given ARNT, so this is ARNT, and we're solving for P. The middle whole dollar rounded principle.
Oh, NT.
Yeah. So A over P to the power of 1 over NT minus 1. Wait, no, we don't know P. I'm trolling. It's just like 1 plus R over N to the power of NT. A divided by this huge quantity, and then round it up. Right? Am I trolling? Like, you're just calculating this. I think. Were you calculating for P instead? Is that why you have the ln there? Because we shouldn't need a logarithm in this at all. This is just exponentiation, and like n and t are small enough that it's fine. Like
I
it's
realize that's kind of wrong.
yeah, it's just calculate this.
Is it again?
Just do 1 plus r over n like math.pow. Just do it all in one go. Math.pow 1 plus r over n to the power of n times t, and then say res is equal to a divided by res. Math.clf a divided by res. Something like that. What the? Are we trolling? Are we bad at reading?
Oh, it's a percent.
Oh my god. Yeah, that's right. Okay, but that should not have taken that long.
I need a type of like. Wait, how many do you have?
Ah.
Bro, look at the debugging. Except that, we got Becker. We got Becker. Easy money. Okay, wait, let me actually read my problems,
let me
bro.
do Jacinta.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that was like.
Wait, I need to make sure I understand what Dorian is saying. There's such a big block of text here. Namely, when a line of input goes beyond 89 characters, that line will need to be broken down into multiple lines. But you don't want to willy-nilly break down a long line. You never want to break a contiguous set of non-white space characters. What does that mean? Wait, it says if a line goes beyond. Oh! I'm trolling. I understand what it means now. I was misreading. Wait, this might be this is literally a Yusuko problem. I've seen this in bronze, and I messed up multiple times doing it. Okay, wait. I can do this with enough time. What is this? Shortest paths. What are? Oh, this is just number of nodes. This is number of edges, and then it's minimum number of time to reach start. Go from start to stop. What is start to stop? Oh, you're given start and stop. Wait, yeah, we can just do. Oh wait, no. Oh, n is the number of test cases. Why is n the number of test cases? Well, yeah, this would be 10 to the 12th with Floyd Virtual. What?
they would give me numbers that might exceed a long.
Considering big integer is in Java, yes, that could happen.
Not in this
What are we supposed to be doing here?
If I add a bunch of numbers in an array, would I exceed long? Would I exceed it?
Wait, what is the algorithm?
Just maximum prefixes. So if suffix and prefix are equal. Find the function.
Yeah, that's too much work for me, bro.
I am not those.
Wait, can you figure out flow?
Bro, what?
I think I know flow, but like,
I don't know flow. What the? I don't know max flow. Bro, at this point, I swear Matthew Sheldon is just making us do his homework.
But these are like ICPC problems. Just assume there's no way. Like on this problem, they might exceed it. I don't think they're exceeding.
these subarrays do not need to be contiguous.
Wait, what?
Subarrays can be formed in any way you want, but each element can only be in one of the two subarrays.
Wait, that's not necessary. It's not just.
What? Why is it subarray if they're not contiguous? What?
No, like the two subarrays don't have to be contiguous. Wait, so first one. Wait, that would like 6 1 2. Each element can only be one.
I'm like trying to remember how Bellman-Ford works. If I get this, I might be the goat.
Each
Is it asking for 2 subsequences or what?
taking the array of labels and determine if they can be partitioned into two separate subarrays that sum to the same value. These subarrays do not need to be contiguous.
I feel like it's talking about subsequences. This is just in.
Subarrays can be formed any way you want.
Just if you're going off this 1, 2, 3, and 6, but that's not how the problem works. Should I cut up something?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, I might have Brian. If I remember Bellman-Ford right, there's a decent chance I don't.
What is going for you?
Okay, like if I remember right, the idea, it's like something relaxation, where it's like you make a loop v minus 1 times. I think it's v minus 1 times, and you go through all the edges. If there's any edge where like you're able to decrease the distance between like the two nodes that the edge connects, update that distance, and then say that okay, yeah, we updated at least one of the distances. If in a cycle if in the loop you never update a distance in one iteration, you just break out of it and you're done.
So what do you like? What are all the distances initialized to? Like some random
Infinity. All the
Like, then
distances
what
are
if-
infinity, and then distance of sources.
Then I'm assuming like the edges you choose have to be like. Oh, I see.
I don't completely remember if this is right because I feel like there was another constraint
Wait.
on those. This was like the basic structure for it.
Doesn't this allow you to use an edge multiple times?
Wait, how?
Like let's say I go to this edge with a -1, I can come back with -1, and that'll decrease this distance, right?
He makes sure to never take the same street twice while running his route.
Yeah. How does your algorithm guarantee that you don't take an edge twice?
That's a great question. Where did Michael go? Oh, he went to the bathroom. Oh yeah, Michael. While you were gone, I realized you know what the issue is?
What?
Bellman Ford assumes directed. Bellman Ford only works on a directed graph that does not have a negative cycle in it. It can work on an undirected graph as long as there's no negative edge. So then it's essentially just back to the Dijkstra thing. Wait, what algorithm is this? Floyd-Warshall is too time complex. Bellman Ford won't work because of the negative edges. Dijkstra won't work because of negative edges. Like, there's no way they expect you to
Okay,
use...
Dijkstra cannot possibly be fixed. Bellman Ford is just too slow. We have to modify Bellman Ford, right?
Probably. Yeah, and there's no way they expect Floyd-Warshall with 10 to the 12 plus 100 test cases to work.
Yeah.
That's, like, insane. Man, I'm gonna use the bathroom. I quit. Oh.
I think I remember how to do flow.
disagree. I trust. Took like 1 second.
By the way, this one, is it just brute force, like all possible subsequences?
Because if it's subsequences, you just find the sum if it's odd as possible, and then you do DP on get to
But like that's assuming that they'll give us like reasonable numbers.
yeah, but the other method is like exponential. UIL when they never give you.
Don't give you the goddamn exponential problem. Great.
It might be the simple, it might be the UIL.
What? Like what?
So with Bellman Ford, like okay, so Bellman Ford allows you to calculate like the length of the shortest path, right? And there's a way to modify the algorithm so that you can also get the actual nodes in said path, right? So what if what you do is you store all the edges originally and figure out what like your least negative edge is, right? And then scale everything up so that your negative edge, like let's say your least value edge is like -10. You scale everything up so that -10 is instead like a 0, or like a 1 or something, right? Then you run Bellman Ford, and then you keep track of the predecessors, go backwards so you have the length of the path, and then scale everything back down. Does that work?
Then wouldn't the least path now also depend on how long?
All
the
on
path
how
is?
long the path is. What the? Wait, yeah, no, this is very. Wait, I don't get how you do this problem. There's no reasonable way to do this problem. This problem is rigged. Bless you, sir.
That only works if there's all positive edges, right?
Yes.
And Dijkstra's runs in O of n, O of v plus e.
Something like that.
Here we go.
What the?
So not only let's do a regular Dijkstra's.
Yeah.
Like you said, I'm gonna take the minimum weight path. I'm gonna scale it up to 1.
Okay.
And then for each, instead of doing Dijkstra's just on the length of the path, I'm also going to keep track of the length of the path in like minutes and the length of the path in edges.
Okay.
So now every node now has, I don't know, like n more states for visiting it with a path of 1, 2, 3 all the way to n.
Okay.
So then we run a Dijkstra's like this, which is going to be O of n squared.
Oh shit.
Or something close to O of n.
No. I understand. How that works. No, it's fine. I'll just post the live stream as like not made for kids.
So then this probably is fast enough.
Yeah, that would make it fast enough. Yeah. Wait, I also find it funny that I just reread it. It does mention that if the amount of time is non-deterministic, print out take as long as you need.
I'm going to assume that if you can't reach it, just print out, take as long as you need.
Yeah. Wait, because like wait. So what about this case? You have negative edges. So what stops you from like going to something, spamming it, and then just going back? Oh wait, yeah, because you can't go over something twice. I'm told.
I think my thing works.
My formatting.
I think your thing might work. That sounds like really cancer implementation I don't want to do.
We can leave that until we do easier problems.
What are the easiest problems? Do y'all need help on anything? Because I don't know flow.
I think okay. I think I know flow, but like
We should probably
You
get other
better
stuff
let me
out of the way
flow
for
for
a
a
while.
while.
What the?
What the?
Did we get anything else while I was gone?
No. I might be a silly.
Let solve these so far.
Oh, wait. We should keep the ones that we solve separate from everything else. That's the way we usually do.
Yeah, these are the ones that we solved.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh yeah. See, I wasn't here for these two. Oh, and I have to look back at the live stream and figure out when we solved these. What the?
I might have.
Oh wait, Dominic is literally just.
Is it MySpace?
Oh, it literally is just
Dominic? Wait, it's fine.
12.
There is a case where if average is exactly
Why is the average score good?
such as I can't. Like
What do you mean problem?
Sage is working to T.
when maybe it's because I didn't type in lowest score.
What?
Wait, low score 65. You didn't. That's not there. Oh my. Oh
Wait,
my
you're
God.
special. You're
I'm
special.
actually special.
Wait, you're special. Wait, that's such an unnecessary WA.
Unnecessary WA. This is the LT way.
Maybe I don't like the LT.
If I WA, you can.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna code it.
That's already 6.
16.
GG easy.
Code
What
it
is-
and screw it up.
What is this? Palindromes? Oh, I actually don't know how to do this.
Like the N squared version?
Oh wait, you're doing this n squared. Oh, never mind. I understand.
Yeah, miniatures is hard.
I think I have. Which one?
This is a fast
I'll
one.
count for a minute.
Oh no! Advent of code?
Thing is, like, the primitive internally does not count.
This is
Like, if
was
you,
this like
you
the
have a
fence,
blank space,
problem or
yeah, if you have a blank space in the middle, it does not count.
Oh, so it's just this outside.
Yeah, so I'll first do it one pass through at a time. I use any kind of component that is not touching the walls and is completely composed of these, and I'll mark these as filled.
Yeah.
And then in the second algorithm to calculate
The perimeter. Oh no, it's Advent of code again, bro. It's so over. Yeah. This should work perfectly. Yeah, that's
let me try to run my flow ideal and see if it actually gets the right answer.
Bro's gonna run it instead.
okay, if this
Shot
N
the
squared
less.
works, that's chill. But if it like takes forever, it's not my fault. Someone needs to know manicures. It will not solve
I
it.
do it.
Wait, no, this is wrong. Okay, UIL bounds don't count.
Is it Dixie?
Do you know how to just in time?
I'll just do DP.
Where's the file?
What? Oh, the done house. You finished this one already? Oh, it's fast. Just in time. Oh wait, this is the part where I kind of just sit around for a bit, right? Because like the only one I know how to do is like kind of annoying impulse.
What? If you have like that like fully written
This one?
info. Bro, should be able to do that.
2 subarrays of equal sums. Oh wait,
But the
this is definitely a CSS problem.
no, like how it's worded, it's like
Wait, what do you mean? It's just make 2. It's just split the elements into 2 buckets such that they're equal sum, right?
yeah, but that's not subarrays.
Oh, I mean the problem. Yeah, the problem says they're not continued. They don't have to be it's contiguous, which is kind of like bad wording. Yeah, that's like bad wording. That's not what it's
like leak code from a few days ago. It relies on the top being not crazy.
on the what?
The highest
What?
number.
Oh.
Or the sum.
How do you make it right, bro? Like this?
Oh, wait, yeah. Wait, no, bro. Oh my god. It's.
my.
Oh.
Bro, you don't initialize the size here.
Astaghfirullah.
Oh, I see.
It's blue.
Oh, I see.
Oh my god. Wait, I can't type on this computer.
Bro, it has to like.
Bro, wait. You're literally like Anthony. This is literally what coding with Anthony is like.
What?
Because our team is literally like Eric, who's like him, me, who's like the Java Oracle, and then Anthony, who can do all of this if you give him a normal language.
True.
But then it's like, this is Java.
Trust,
So then either me or Eric just gets explained the idea, and then we just code it up.
Run flux
Peak
build,
CS team. This is state champ material, low key.
run flux build, and then. Wait, is the perimeter like max min? Oh wait, it's always like that. Max min, max and right?
What?
No. Well, it can be like. No, it's always max. Like.
It can be concept, so that.
Oh. How do you know which one's which side? Because then if you know that, this one's definitely
Wait, low key, I should write the pseudocode for this.
Why is your computer so slow?
Well, yeah, I know this computer. Wait, this computer sucks. Wait, me and Michael both use Macs, so it's like completely different. What do you
Your shift
mean?
key is like
still
not.
Oh yeah, your shift key is cursed. Like actually, this entire like thing is cursed.
All right, we ball.
No way. Rose is like, yeah, I got it.
Yeah, that's what I do. We ball.
I see.
Yeah. Wait, this guy's the goat.
Wait, do you have the strap?
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Wait, also,
You get 10 of them.
do you realize how cursed this problem is? Like reading the input. Because it's like,
Wait,
this
in
is
actual UIL,
this is supposed
are
to.
you given the input file? Or not?
Oh,
Or do
no.
you have to type it up?
No, you have to type it up. For this one, it's like this long line is supposed to be one input. So they're like, oh, indented lines are a continuation of the previous line. But the entire point of this problem is you're supposed to make the indentation. So then that's why the input and the output look the exact same. This is manually indented. This is manually indented so that it doesn't go off page. This is what we're supposed to do.
Wait, surely this isn't that bad, right?
No, it's not. But it's so stupid.
What?
What?
Wait, what?
I just went to like Chrome or something.
Wait, let's say we actually have to type up the test case. It's probably like extra 10 minutes, right? Or 15.
Well, I regularly use arrow keys.
But do you shift enter?
What?
Shift enter to make a new line.
There's no next char.
Why would there be next char,
You have to
bro?
just read the screen. And then you have to
You know there is an easier way to do that. I'm not gonna get into the details.
problem?
Like to take in the input. Like you could just say that like a of I is equal to input dot next dot 2 car. Right?
Oh, true.
That's like always how I do this stuff.
Job on direction. That's yeah. Have you even coded before?
I think I know.
You have to do M for ABS.
Your shift button is in the wrong place. I'm sorry.
The maximum flow level.
Knowing that a set of contiguous non-isolated event. Oh, okay, so this won't be more than 89 characters. What the?
Your shift key's in the wrong place.
Just use left shift.
I always use right shift.
How much time do we have left?
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah, we have like 54 minutes apparently. Something like that.
Let me say hi to chat. Go chat, what's up?
You know, this isn't actually getting live streamed.
Yeah.
Oh, I could like deploy this video as a premiere, so like people can just watch it like in
Bro.
real time. That'd be so funny.
Jiro cannot do CS. Who else can do CS? Everyone can do CS.
True, I can't do CS, bro. Wait, you wanna know what I'm really hoping? I'm really hoping that the white space is only spaces.
Yeah, it is.
It is. Is that guaranteed?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Wait, in input?
Yeah.
I don't know.
What the?
But surely they don't have like actual tab. 6 spaces to output.
No, that's not what I'm asking. I'm asking the input. Will the input have will the input's white space only be spaces? See, it says a minimum of one non-white space character, but it doesn't say anything about whether it's. Like, I'm assuming it has to be spaces, otherwise it doesn't make sense. Like, in terms of the
Yeah.
actual structure. I'm gonna assume spaces. If it's not, this is again bad word. This is like bad problem writing.
Matthew Sheldon can go like
Wait, yeah, he might be.
I'd rather solve Ellison's battle of the brain problem. the average high school is not solving this.
Oh.
Um, I want to ponder about where's the shortest path from?
I think I already solved that one.
Really?
Using my.
Oh yeah. We have like a really cursed solution to
It
it.
does work though, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. If you want to think about it, I don't know where it is though. If it's like words, space, words. Okay, I think I have the solution for Dorian. It's like straight up just straight on.
Yeah. Wait, how did Sean look so full?
Wait, I don't know. Wait, I think I can solve one.
Also, should we end 20 minutes early just because of like typing time? Like, she typing the inputs?
What?
Because like in the actual UIL, you have to type in the inputs, right?
Yeah. Oh, that's true. And we'll just like have it as a caveat. Like people can look at the timings and be like, yay.
How much time do I have left?
Like 40 minutes, 45 minutes.
Oh my god.
You have time.
Realistically, like if we're comparing the two, like, I feel like we get two songs more three.
Oh, I forgot to pick up my Longhorn stuff. I'll pick it up tomorrow. Over 18. Oh yeah, you know like 8,000 people signed up for Longhorn Run?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be sweating with 7,999 other people.
But yeah, Jacinta was literally yesterday.
28, 20, 40, 40,
Yeah.
This is actually the baby.
Alright, now to submit this.
Make sure you also add in the method. The solve method. What the? Oh, that was
Waiting 1 minute.
Oh wait, when you paste it in,
wait, what?
one of the
I hope it compiles. Oh yeah, I think so.
I think it's really good.
That's not very nice. Sure, Herbert is a very chill guy, bro.
or is this wait, is this
What do you mean?
Like this could be a greater issue.
I don't think it's
Oh,
wait, I don't think it's weird. Because no one was able to do
I mean I don't see any red errors.
What do you mean?
you feel over
What do you mean?
you keep ground everywhere.
I hope I do.
How does flow work?
It must be hard for me to actually learn flow.
Yes, bro, I do not know flow. I am not those who flow. Those who flow.
The sample cases make sense, but like how do you actually complete that?
Chat was wrong. 1,000.
That's literally not there.
What the hell's a runtime error? What the hell's a runtime error? Okay, why would it not? Why would this not have a runtime error?
I'm like so tempted to just look at the two samples. No, it's the wrong name of what it said. So there's just an error somewhere. Wait, go back to your grader's code. What does it say? What does it throw in there? Just anytime there's an error? I see.
Wait, should I comment and check it out?
I want to know what the error actually shows us.
Go only runs if check is run. And check succeeds. It's like if it detects a donut hole, it'll fill the donut hole.
Usually I use donables, but I suppose you can fill them too.
Yes. It might reach 1 million per minute.
Can't be. There's not going to be an end. That's like almost impossible. Or like basically impossible.
Is this possible for it to go outside?
Highly doubt it.
Like if you had a lake,
That's
does it count?
How does it lake in the corner?
There's no way that's not.
That's what?
But yeah.
Oh, so lake in the corners in the
yeah.
samples.
Check. You must like everything must be covered. If check is true.
There should be one more thing here.
It would put one by one.
I think interrupting the check might cause some issues.
Yeah. What is it? Lava?
Is that overflow?
Does it count as another penalty?
Yeah.
Unfortunately. Okay, that's
Well, it is on tester. I forgot. Well, I meant to.
not a penalty.
Hey, I didn't even I did not want to submit that one. That does not count.
No, Michael never submitted.
Yeah, my
So we have what, 3 penalties? Because I had one,
I have
you had one, you had one. Yeah, we all.
Sigma.
It did stack overflow. Each check was getting
Yeah, no shit. I'm doing everything.
Wait, if this recursive stack was like 10 to the 6,
It is.
I don't think Java handles that, right?
What the hell? What am I supposed to do?
Wait, what?
Java doesn't handle 10 to the 6 recursive stack.
Is it not?
No way, right?
Bro,
Not it's like somewhere in the thousands.
bro.
The C++ handle that way?
Yes. This is fine for C++. Are you kidding me? I have to make this iterative?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, I see how this is.
As for there's like no way this could be. This is the issue.
But like you saw what it was last
No, no, no. I know. I saw.
How do you store a queue of pairs like this?
Sure.
Yeah.
Should I just do a linked list?
Well, I mean, if you make a queue, you're required to do a linked list.
Does queue extend linked list or like
Yo, Q is
use an
something you should-
interface?
Yeah.
Queue's an interface, yes, bro.
What the fuck?
Bro does not know Java.
Bro forgot all of his Java. Bro left
Yeah, you should
Dr.
use it
Han's
for
class
right
and was like, "Woo, woo, woo, woo."
Array deck.
What?
Does that change anything?
Wait, what?
No, but it's not an array deck.
Oh, nah, bro,
Q
we're not
is
using
rotate.
decks.
Wait, what do you usually do?
Q-
Q
I do
equals-
Q equals new linked list.
If you want to be special, use array deck.
Array deck is like, yeah, wait, array deck is like very unnecessary.
Array deck is very.
How do you initialize this?
New int bracket bracket curly
Bro.
brace I comma j
Like this?
Yeah.
curly
No,
brace.
curly.
Bro,
Bro does not know Java.
are you kidding me?
I mean, see, usually I just implement my own pair class whenever I need to do this. I just do new pair I comma j.
PII class.
Can I do that here?
Wait, bro, it's not worth. It is not worth. It is not worth.
Static, private static class. PII. first.
Get out.
Oops, it's text.
I might have to-
Wait, I want to say something, but like, I'm not gonna say it. Like regarding the problem.
I have to do all of them with like this. Recursion's easy.
Average GBC 10 kilometers over 10 How long has this video been running? 1:29. Okay, so we probably have like 30 minutes left. I look, you want to get rich after this.
That's a fact.
Wait, not even because I'm hungry, just like for the vibes. That makes it sound more like a fat food, not gonna lie. Yeah, we're missing Herbitor, Luke, Dorian, and Brian.
Bro, you can have these fish. I can do it.
Oh. I swear there's no way this is nice. What's this guy out of?
The signal?
You never check in. Like when you make NI and NJ, you never check if it's in like the bounds.
But I should never fill if that's not going to be right.
What? What? Wait, why did you just put the check everywhere? Just like to be safe?
No, but then this means that this is wrong.
Well, or yeah, I think it's a good decision that we didn't all do this individually.
Yep.
What?
To put the beginning is not as helpful.
I don't think the shorelines are zero. How much did I say we had left? Oh, we still have like, yeah, like 30 left. Wait, so what do we have like? 11 minutes?
Oh, wait,
Oh, he's back. Go. Good job, shoot.
Bro, just not play Lucy with the mouse.
Why would you play Osu with the mouse? Or, well, why would you play Osu, period?
Hardball. Yo,
Wait,
why is
this-
it wrong? Why is it wrong?
This can even be integer overflow.
Why is it wrong?
Integer
No, it's not integer. The bounds are almost 10 to the third.
What's wrong, bro? What's
The
wrong?
shoreline
What's
cannot
wrong?
integer overflow. Okay, that's what our fourth wrong answer.
It's not solved yet.
Well, I mean, I would hope we solve it eventually.
Surely that doesn't happen.
What's the case again? Wait, what?
What's the signal?
Is it potentially more worth to switch to another problem?
Worst problem is that.
Which one is yours?
Dorian, the string.
How long do you think it'll take?
If my implementation is right down to the wire, 5 minutes tops.
How many have you solved?
We're missing flow, yours, mine, and the Bellman for the weird Dijkstra one.
I believe.
Does Dijkstra ever work for negative?
You know, he has an alternative to it. Dijkstra alone doesn't work for it, but he has like a modification where it's like I was thinking about something where it was we use Bellman Ford, but what you do is that so Bellman Ford doesn't work on a directed graph if any edge is weighted, because Bellman Ford doesn't work on negative cycles, right? So what I was thinking is, what happens if you scale up all the weights so that your smallest weight is now like 1 or something, and then you run it. The only issue is that it still relies on path length. Because when you scale it back down, it depends on if there's like 2 edges in that path versus if there's like 10, right? So then what Michael thought was like, okay, what if you do Dijkstra? Well then, your like priority queue state includes both the weight between, like the weight to travel from your start to some arbitrary destination, along with the path length of said traversal. Which like probably devolves into like O of V squared. Like it's probably 10 to the 8th.
10 to the 8 is fine.
Well, it's 10 to the 8th per 100 test cases. 10 to the 8th per test case, there's 100 test cases. So then it's like,
What's the
I think technically the solution has to be some weird like V plus E log E type thing.
Wait, this problem says like last year.
This problem set is very annoying.
No.
Like we have flow, we have undirected negative.
Code
What?
the string.
No.
Froze that.
It's about to crash.
Like if you don't solve this, you're automatically kicked off of ICPC2.
No.
I'm telling Dylan you can't even solve UIL problems.
I can solve this in C++.
Cal, you would have RTE.
Well,
Oh.
that one decimation doesn't count.
What?
You didn't change the. Okay.
Oh my god.
Add
You're
back,
special.
Add back 5 minutes. Wait, this is just because of this, bro.
Yeah, you're
Add back
special.
5 minutes.
You're special. You're special.
No,
You're,
I'm
you're
I'm always
special.
I'm
Well,
always
the 5 minutes are typing.
I'm always
number 5.
Yeah. The typing time, it goes into the typing test case time.
Yeah, typing test case time.
Oh. You're actually so special. You're so special.
Alright, let me run flow. See if it works.
Yeah.
I like highly doubt I'm gonna have time to write it.
Ah. Is this the flow? Is this one?
Oh, I was looking at what's wrong with
Yeah. The one I wrote on the back of this is the Dijkstra.
What the?
You look at the way I type.
It should not be this fast.
That's the thing I was saying. Oh shoot, this should be false.
But my coding was so bad in high school that I had to write down everything. I couldn't think of stuff. But now that it feels like
Whoa.
I just realized I haven't done anything since like 50 years now. I might be bringing down the average, the score average. Wait, how many WAs? 3?
Yeah. No, 3. Wait.
Wait, Michael, did you have one before this guy?
He had the original RTE.
Yeah,
And then
That's one. I accidentally
you
submitted-
accidentally submitted
that
that
doesn't
wrong,
count.
so that doesn't count.
But, like,
And then you had the thing just now
That doesn't
because
count.
that doesn't count. So I think only one.
So then that's 3. The dice.
Oh wait, shoot. It shouldn't be 7. It should be.
The way dudes and stuff work is
Oh, what's the top of the. What the? Okay, here's the solution I had was not right. So I have to now actually look at my code now. No, it is. I think I just typed something wrong, question mark. Oh. I'm just debugging right now. That is a lot of spaces. Oh, shit. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. So why are these spaces disappearing? Oh.
Well,
That would make a lot of sense.
I passed sample test case on my idea of flow.
Yo, what the?
Wait, do we not have any space? Wait. Wait, what? So you just add a new line every time you should. Couldn't just compare to my character.
No, but you have to also consider the
This,
spaces.
yeah.
They mentioned something where it's like you keep the spaces unless it would cause you to overflow, in which case you should pretend the spaces don't exist. So then you can't just print it. So what I'm doing is I'm basically storing all the segments between non-spaces and spaces, and then doing that. Except my segment storing is currently wrong. So I need to currently figure that out. This is fine. This is fine. One of the characters is just disappearing. Is this not how Stream Builder works? Am I stupid? Oh my god. That is actually not how it works. I'm pretty sure this works.
What the hell?
Welcome to Java, bro.
What the hell?
Welcome to Java, bro. Wait, I might be the most sped person alive.
Do you think the Dijkstra cursed is gonna be doable?
Yo, this looks pretty similar.
Yeah.
This looks pretty similar.
I don't know. It looks good to me.
Did I forget something?
Looks good to me. Is that 6 spaces? Yep, that's 6 spaces.
Yeah, I did dot repeat 6 because I did not trust my counting.
Looks good to me.
Yeah, it seems fine to me. But see, I told you I could do this in like 5 minutes. What? Hey, that was still like objectively fast.
So use the mouse.
See, hardest part is not copying.
Bro doesn't have the mouse key.
True. You can just remove all that.
Yes, I know. Wait,
I can play like mid 4-star game match.
bro, shut up! Stop talking about Osu. Yay! I'll just keep the numbers. And then just. What the?
Take some time, bro.
What the?
What kind of files are they giving, bro?
What the? Am I trolling?
Wait, did I ever tell you how long?
What?
What?
What? What?
Wait, go back up. Go back up.
If you have extra
Go
spaces,
even above higher. Why does it go? Why does it do that? This method. Oh.
Huh?
Don't forget I said that.
I think I eat chip. Wait, I'm so confused.
I
What?
you have extra spaces in the line.
Wait, I was really hoping that the end of this doesn't have spaces.
Does yours? Oh, I know mine has to. Oh, it doesn't like spaces. That's the album.
Yeah. Wait, there is another thing I could try. Because, like, okay, what could happen is, like, let's say, like, because I don't think they specified that this thing ends with a space. Right? So let's say there are space characters here.
Yeah.
Okay? What my thing would do is that it would say that, okay, well,
What if this has like a 1,000 spaces after that?
that's the
Would
thing.
you keep it? Or not? I don't think we should.
Because the thing is that, like, there is this constraint right here. Like, it guarantees that you won't have a string that is, like, a string of non-white space that's longer than 89 Or if it's supposed to be all in one tab line, no longer than 83.
What if there's just a ton of extra lines?
Yeah, if there is a ton of extra white space, I think it could.
Note that the internal white space within a line of window should be respected.
Yeah, because it could just be like the very end of the line that has white space that
Yeah.
it's trying to print on a new line. Oh, I probably have to index these. If this is wrong, I do like want to check if it happens to be just your checker, just not like liking and stuff.
Can you check how much time's left?
I know my checker's strict on spaces.
10.
I cannot do that in 10 minutes.
If I equals a the size minus 1 and what? Like the equivalent would just be this. Like basically, if
So.
yeah, it's like yeah, because the original sample hasn't changed. Like the new logic is just like let's say you have like this ending component. If you're currently on like the very last thing, and it's only spaces, and it causes you to skip a line, then just don't skip the line.
You could try it.
There's a lot
You have like a shit ton of spaces.
Oh, it doesn't. I can try on a lot of spaces.
Like greater 89.
And that doesn't.
Try it.
That should be. That should probably be. Still works out. It's the same output. What?
Why did that have spaces?
That's supposed to. It says internal white space within a line should be respected
Wait, this
unless
may or
it
may not-
violates the rules.
This may
So-
or may not make my tester mad.
Really?
If the judge doesn't have.
Yeah, because basically it says that if a space block would cause you to exceed the 89 limit or the 83 limit, then obviously don't put it, right? And if the space block would mean that your indented line begins with a space,
Oh,
you
I see.
also don't include it. Otherwise, include exactly what their indentation is. Wait, can we please just check? Because I'm gonna be very annoyed if it just happens to be out. What the?
Check the last one.
I don't think they have anything. Yeah, the judge doesn't have space.
Wait, what do you mean?
Like,
What?
they don't have space in
Does
What the-
yours have spaces?
Wait, what about their test out?
Yeah, this is yours.
Huh?
This
Oh,
yours.
this is mine. Oh, what?
Wait, what?
Like, they don't have.
Isn't that wrong by the definition of the problem?
Is it? Because it's at the end of it.
Wait, for yours, this is your output, right?
Yeah.
If I have a space word, and this would violate the rule, then I'd move this word down, right?
Yes.
And I would remove this space.
Wait, based on this, you don't remove. I haven't seen anything on here that says you remove this space.
But, like, how would it be? I mean, that's what the judge would
But let's, like, if we keep the space, that violates the rule, so we discard the space.
do. It's like new line.
I guess that makes sense.
Try Try removing spaces at the end of lines. Does that happen?
I think that should.
I mean, okay, sure. I guess the stupid solution is I could just store all of this and then just strip everything, right? Oh wait, shoot! I have to be an R strip. Does Java have an R strip?
Or Java has.
Yeah, but like the beginning's supposed to be indented.
Oh.
That's the issue.
Sure.
Oh, actually, wait, no. I have a workaround. It's trivial. This is all trivial.
You just like remove the previous name. All right.
Oh wait, yeah. Wait. WTF? No. I had the wrong thing. WTF dot append string, and then if what?
It's a big red.
What? Oh my god.
Bro, just download one dark theme, please.
I don't even know if this is right.
That is a lot of indent.
That might be.
Did you double indent?
Oh, I never stripped it. That might have to do with it.
Good enough.
No, I'm pretty sure it still matches up.
Good enough. Time check? Just
3
minutes.
minutes. Oh, hell no. What the?
Watch good.
What? I'm doing the Michael thing
This should take a minute to run.
here. Wait, is it? Yeah, it's gonna run.
Wow.
Oh, yeah!
Yeah.
I can't do I can't do Dijkstra's in 2 minutes. I'm sorry.
10
Why-
minus
Wait, why not? This is surely doable. We just call it a day.
I think we call
We
it.
can't solve any of these.
No, I think we call it a 9. What was that? 9 solved then?
10, right?
10?
I think I know. That one should be right? That's like slow as hell. I think I know how to do flow.
Okay.
Let me switch it up just to make sure.
Okay.
Wait, that's
Yeah, that's
600 minus 585 plus 624 is 12.
wait 580. No. I got a wrong answer just now. It's 580.
580 plus 624 is 1204. 12.
How was the best team at 970? What the? Or 870, or whatever it was.
980. 780. You don't have click on your screen.
Oh wait, sorry.
Didn't.h. Did it? Got the row algo. Fuck, which one did I even think of? Okay.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna end this, guys. Do we have any final words? Mikey, Adam, do y'all have any final words?
Bro, there's no way the highest score isn't a 1K on this. What is Seven Lakes doing at this point? Bro.
Wait, okay, I swear, written wasn't too. I feel like having 3 200 pluses on this, or at least, okay, having your written. I feel like having your written sum be at least 550 on this is doable. And then prog, like, getting, well, like I said 550, right? Like, getting like 7, 8 on this should be still doable for like, yeah, like a 7 Lakes team. Like, if you have multiple gold plus people, this should probably be fine. Especially with how much algo stuff is on this.
Oh yeah.
Wait, yeah.
I still don't like the trailing space stuff though. But I mean, it makes sense. If that's in the judging data, then okay, I suppose I just misread it. I mean, yeah, it's fine. Okay, GG, we're cooked. UT Austin UIL team still on top.
Official UIL team.